Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clean with me video. This took me a total of 2 days, so you'll see me in different outfits and hair and makeup done, hair and makeup not done. But it was a long project. It really needed to be done. I wanted to get everything super deep cleaned and nice for Christmas decorating. That'll be happening in the next couple of weeks. There's still some little projects that I want to work on, like cleaning wise, but for right now it's perfectly fine. Also, yes, I dyed my hair red just temporarily. It's Joico Color Butter. It's a little bit pink right now because it's starting to fade already, but I will be blonde soon again, don't you guys worry. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.
wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the finished project now that everything is pretty much done. I'm so happy. I feel so when you come down the stairs here, there's this curtain that opens up, and there's my dog being nosy as usual. And you kind of just wind up in my giant beauty room closet area. I'm so lucky to have this area, and I love everything that I have down here. I'm super grateful for it, so just know that. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a brief overview of everything so you can see how nice and clean it is. I'm planning to do a decorate with me for Christmas because I go all out, and I think I'm gonna do like an official beauty room area tour and show you guys everything, and I'll probably do that while it's decorated for Christmas, so no worries, you will see it all in detail. So over to this side here, I have some containers I need to put up in the attic and some boxes that have to go back to UPS. Over here I have my entertainment stand, my little Christmas tree I started putting up. I had to get some kind of Christmas fix because I was just getting really antsy. My vanity, I cleaned everything up nice. And the couches over here, I have the fall pillows out and everything. And then this area is kind of my messy area, but it all has a reason. I have hangers, I have stuff that goes out to Poshmark, my softbox lights, just random stuff. And then over here is my shoe shelves. I want to go in and dust and clean all of these, but that is seriously a project for another day. And over here is all of my clothes that I put away, and I clean the floors nice, and all my clothes are organized. And that box has my summer clothes that are being put away. In this area, I cleaned the dog's cage up, washed his blanket. I cleaned and organized this purse area, which needed to be done really badly, so I'm really happy about that. And then my bedroom is so super clean, and I'm so happy. It never looks like this, I'll be honest. I'm loving my bed setup right now. I can't wait to put the Christmas pillows out. But yeah, everything is nice and clean, and I'm so happy. This makes me feel amazing, and I'm just so glad I got it done. My bathroom over there, I still need to get in and clean, but it's good for now. Not too worried about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.